Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Idea. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, the answer to this question is very simple, that in this video I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful and very creative 3D handmade crochet flowers, crochet home decor ideas. All of these are creative DIY type ideas that you can use to decor your house for multiple reasons and various purposes. Friends, all of these designs are purely new and they are very easy to make. The idea of sharing these designs is to give and share some beautiful color combination of 3D crochet flowers and to decorate your home with a designer style handmade decoration pieces. So if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, then kindly do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing my channel, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And one more thing friends, if you are interested in creative, fashionable, stylish, trendy things and latest fashion trends related to women fashion and hand art, then don't forget to watch my videos on daily basis. And one more thing, at the end of this video I have attached the links of my other channels as well. Do subscribe them. Thank you.